Hello, this is Maria from visasinportugal.com, yet with another video, because you asked, that's why I'm here. Today we're going to speak about family reunion in Portugal. If this is information that you like, hit subscribe, say you love it, and we go from there. Because you asked for this information, I've got your back, and here it goes. What is family reunion in Portugal? Well, if you are in Portugal legally, you have a residency permit, a D1, a D2, a D7, D9, doesn't matter. You have a residency permit in Portugal, and you want to apply for family reunion, and you can do so. If you are applying for a residency permit in Portugal from your country of residency, you can apply immediately with all the family, and that's also called family reunion for them. Okay? For example, you are applying for a D9. You are a nomad, a digital nomad, You work remotely and you want to bring your family. So you are the first applicant because you work remotely, and your family are on family reunion. They are D8s. D8 nowadays is called the family reunion of a D9. So what are the requirements? Well, the first applicant has all the requirements of the visa and has to show that they earn 3,500 euros per month. And then the spouse needs to show, you need to show that you have enough money to take care of the spouse. You need to show half of that, 3,500, half for the spouse. If it's the children that you're bringing as well, you need to show 30% of that amount to take care of each children that you have, okay, that you want to bring on family reunion. Documents, well, if you're bringing a spouse, you need to show a marriage certificate with an apostille, translated in Portugal with an apostille, okay? If it's for your children, you need to show a birth certificate of your children to prove that you're the parent. Some countries, the birth certificate does not show the name of the parents. Be aware of that. So there's a document that you have in those countries called a family document, and that document shows. So you need to show them both, the birth certificate and the family document, apostille, Portugal translated in apostille. If you are not in a country that is a member of the Convention of Hague, you will not have an apostille. You can certify it at the Portuguese embassy, or you can certify it at the notary with a stamp from the governmental office saying that it is a true document. Okay, that's what the Portuguese government wants to see, is that it is an original. If you are bringing your parents, then you need to show your birth certificate, your family document. Okay, that's for the D9. Of course, you're going to show that you have housing for all of these people, depending if you're bringing 10 or 1. Now, let's say that you are a golden visa applicant. You're applying with your family. You can also do that. Or you have your golden visa, you have your residency card, and now you want to apply for family reunion. You want to bring your family. Then you go to the ARI at IMA portal, IMA portal, and you are going to request family reunion for your family. If you, on the other hand, you are on a D2, a D1, a D7, a D9, you didn't bring your family on the first application, you want to bring them now. If they are children, you have a platform on IMA just for the children, family reunion for those below the age of 18. If it's for your spouses, then you have to wait for IMA to open those vacancies. And they do have those appointments that you can open and check them out at the IMA portal, okay? What are you going to need to show? Well, you need to show that you have enough money in the bank account, in a Portuguese bank account for both of you. If you are already in the country and you're bringing your spouse, for example, she needs to have a Portuguese bank account with enough money on her name, on her bank account. You need to show that if you're bringing your children, you have enough money to take care of your children. If you are a monoparental family, you are the only care holder of your children, then you need to show a court decision that says so, that you are allowed to bring your family to another country. If not, your spouse can also give a statement giving you permission to bring the family, the children as well. Okay, it's always dependable on the circumstances. That's why here at visasinportugal.com we always say, book a meeting, let's analyze your circumstances, because each person has its own circumstances and the outcome is different because of that, right? So basically, if the family members you are bringing with family reunion are older than 16 years old, they need to bring a criminal background check from the country of origin and from the country of residency. If it's children, they need to show that you book them in school. They are enrolled in school in Portugal. They will be going to school, university, primary school, high school, depending on the location where you are, and their age, of course. You need to show all of that. Those are the main requirements. And of course, the form, the statement where you allow them to check the Portuguese criminal background check, and so on. So again, it's all dependable on each person, each family's circumstances. Book a meeting with us at visasinportugal.com and we analyze it for you. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon.